Firefighters battled to gain control over several large wildfires in Colorado on Tuesday, including two blazes at opposite ends of the state that have prompted the evacuation of more than 3,500 homes and the closure of a national forest. The Huffington Post says the largest and most threatening blaze, a 12-day-old conflagration dubbed the 416 fire, has scorched more than 23,000 acres of drought-parched grass, brush, and timber at the edge of the San Juan National Forest near the southwestern Colorado town of Durango.